They say if you're lost in life, look back at what you loved as a child. When I was a little girl, I was obsessed with musicals. I've always been pulled towards creativity, and I'm very lucky to now be a content creator for others. But music keeps calling me back. I tried again last summer, but I wasn't consistent. Being a mum and life happened, but I'm gonna try again. Ali Abdaal says a year of consistency on YouTube can change your life. I'm willing to try, and I've joined Creator College to see if I can grow my personal brand. Follow to see what 1 year of consistency really does.